How to log in Brainly account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your preferred browser on your computer. After opening up, you will be able to see the search bar. So you have to click on that and search for Brainly. Soon after searching, you'll be able to see the search results. So you have to go for Brainly in option over here. After that, you will be taken to the official web page of Brainly. So for logging in, you have to go for login option in the right hand side over here. And here, in order to log in, you can either sign in with your Google, Apple or Facebook. You can also enter your username or email and password and directly log in. And here you can see my account has been logged in. So by following this simple step, you can log in Brainly account. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.